Welcome to Dynaset HQ. Today we go through a hydraulic compressor lineup and differences between all our models. But before we go deeper into that, let's go through some basics. So what actually is a hydraulic compressor? And how does it differ from the traditional ones like diesel, electric or gasoline compressors? The hydraulic compressors use hydraulics of the base machine to power up the hydraulic motor of the compressor. The hydraulic motor is a fraction of the size compared to traditional motors used to run the compressors. The hydraulic compressors have the best power to size ratio and they are more efficient than traditional compressor options. Especially when coming to HKR or HKL, large volume compressors, the size difference to traditional compressors is obvious. Dynaset compressors can be divided into two groups, the non-continuous use ones and the continuous use ones. The Dynaset HKR hydraulic piston compressor is meant for non-continuous use, and these two are meant for continuous use, the HKR hydraulic screw compressor and the HKL hydraulic rotary vane compressor. But how do these differ from each other? The HKR hydraulic piston compressor is used for shorter periods of time, for example, air impact wrenches or for other pneumatic tools. The HK also has a reservoir in its frame that it trims down the consumption spikes that might occur when compressed air is used. As a result, the compressor runs more smoothly and the design is compact and takes less space than traditional options. HK models produce from 450 liters per minute up to 1000 liters per minute depending on the model. Also, the pressure range is between 8 to 12 bars. Difference between HK and with HKR and HKL is that HKR and HKL can be used continuously. These models can be used better when the applications require a longer running time and larger volume of air. So these models can be used from powering up a jackhammer up to being a rock drill rig's air flushing applications power source. Because these are designed to run all the time, they don't have air tanks by default. So now we know the difference between HK and these two guys. But what are the differences between this HKR and HKL? To put it simply, the HKR doesn't need any additional cooling. So you can install it into smaller and tighter places without any overheating issues. Both of these compressors come with large variety of models. The HKL starting from 400 liters per minute and goes up to 7,500 liters per minute models. The models have 8 bars of pressure. The HKR starts from 500 liters per minute and goes up to 11,000 liters per minute, and the pressure ranging between the models 10 to 15 bars. So there you go, Dynaset hydraulic compressors. More information about compressors and other solutions that we have from our Dynaset website or from Dynaset app. Hit the like button, leave a comment below where you use your hydraulic compressor or other Dynaset devices, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.